Financial literacy is the ability to understand and manage your money. It includes knowing how to earn an income, budget, pay off debt, save, invest, and manage your overall finances. Being financially literate can help you make better financial decisions, build wealth, and achieve your financial goals. Financial Literacy Month is a time to focus on financial education and help high school students better understand their finances and make better financial choices. Here are some tips for improving your financial literacy. Learn about different types of financial products and services. Understand the basics of budgeting and saving. Create a financial plan and track your progress. Invest in yourself and your education. Make informed financial decisions. Get help from a financial advisor if needed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel or join our online course to learn more and master financial literacy.